Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to showing you undulation trick with flow. I'm going to showing you how to create a simple flow like this to this. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I'm in Revit opener. So I already selected one of my template architectural template. I will click on it and let's say give me some time to open it. So as you can see, I'm in Revit window. First of all, I like to change the units. I will click U and forward. Hit on the first pattern and I will change the unit from weeks and pastel inches to meters. Okay, okay, and let's get started. So first of all, I like to create the flow. So here in the architecture tab, here we have the flow, where you have the three options: flow architecture, flow structure, flow by phase, or flow snippets. I'm going to talking you about in the later video, in other video. Today I will be working on flow architecture. So I will click on it, and another window of modify create flow boundary is generated over here. So you have the multiple options of how much shape you want to take to make the flow. So I will just take the started with a rectangle. I will make a small rectangle. Let's take this escape. Let's take the road width to 5 meters and the another take this as 10 meters. So it's almost like a rectangle pillar flow. So let's take this purple as final. Hit the right button and you have the floor is created. As you can see in the 3D view, you can see. But the main thing, how thickness is this your floor, how much thickness you want it is another factor that we almost talking about. So let's change this as a property. So if I select this properties panel is generated on the right hand side. If you can't get this property bar, you go to view, you get the user interface, and here you can see your project browser and properties is set. Okay, so let's move forward. So I will select the flow object. I will create edit type on it. So here there is a window is generated where there is parameters and different parameters are over here. So we will go to construction, go to edit, and here you can see we have multiple options like a core boundary, structure, and core boundary. Now the things which you have to remember is this core boundary is included in every flow material. It is one of the included material, so we can't change things in this setting. We can play in this second tab, which is called structure. So first of all, like what I like to tell you is we are working in meters. So what will be our thickness? So let's take I'm taking 1.16 meters. So there will be a thickness of my and the material. Now I will talking later on about the material. I have a new video on it, so I will talk about later on. So we take the thread thickness as 0.16. Hit OK, apply, OK, and as you can see, the flow material is now 0.16. It's got thinner now than previous. So how can doing medium undulation? So by selecting over it, the modify tab will show you the some options of it. One is edit boundary, and on the adjust side there is a modify sub elements. So you have to click on that. The moment you click on modify sub elements, a phasing line is appear on your floor. So this is the main point where you have to change the size or your undulation happen. So let's say in this portion, like this one, at this area, I want this piece to be 5 meters up like this, and keep this area as um, let's take 3 meters. Okay, so as you can see, the whole structure, whole floor is undulated. So this is how you can undulate your floor. If you hit escape, your final product is ready. Now another interesting thing about this undulation method is that you can use also in RAM by indicating it. Let's take example. I have created a floor. Go to level 1. Let's take I have created a floor. Yes. So we finalize the floor and do enter 3D. That is one of the That is our floor. So how you can create it? Imagine that this is the ground floor and the 3 meters outside there is a first floor. And you have to access that floor to floor is by ramp. So how you can create that? So by taking selecting the plumber object and click on modify surveillance. As I tell you that you are on the ground floor at this side and the first floor is on this side at 3 meter outside. So let's select the option, give 3 meters height like this, select on it, take type 3, okay, hit escape, and as you can see the floor is ramp is already. So this is how you can use the modify sub element tool to create such type of undulation in any floor map or in lab. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.